Congratulations on your purchase of the Couture Creative Kickstart project. It features our on-trend, round, reusable chalkboard with gold frame, a timely and positive quote, and beautiful graphic floral surround. You're going to love how quick and easy it is to create something beautiful with this complete kit. Your Creative Kickstart project comes with everything you see here. The 10-inch Couture Boutique board with gold frame, the 8.5 by 11 size lift where you stand transfer, a small squeegee, and 2 Chalkology Paste single packets in Marvelous and Shimmer Gold. Let's get started. I've got my transfer here and surface, and I've gathered some small trays for paste. My squeegee is handy, and I have transfer trimmers, a water bath for easy cleanup, and a fuzzing cloth. To begin, I'll remove the backer from the transfer design, and then press it to the terry cloth side of the fuzzing cloth. This gentles the adhesive just a bit, and prevents it from stretching when you remove it from the board. I'll get it centered on the surface, then make sure it's smoothly adhered with no bubbles. To prepare the Marvelous paste, I'll knead the packet just a bit to make sure the paste is well mixed and ready to go. Then just snip the corner off and squeeze some out onto the dish. I'll do the same with the Shimmer Gold, mixing it well, and then I'll squeeze a small amount onto the other dish. With my small squeegee, I'll load up some paste, and then I'm going to carefully spread the chalk paste over the floral area of the screen. Once I've got the top and the bottom areas covered, I'll scrape off the excess. I've quickly wiped my squeegee clean, and now I can pick up some Shimmer Gold. You only need a bit to cover the words here, and again, scrape off the excess. And now for the best part. Slowly peel the transfer design from the surface, pulling straight down. And there it is. So pretty. So perfectly suited for the board, for this moment in time, and for your home decor. Get a kickstart into some seriously fast and fabulous creativity with Couture.